Hi everyone, Gil here at Graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about a food item. And we're going to be dealing with food items, individual food items as we go along here over the next several weeks. We are going to mix in some of the others, but food items is going to be the main focus here. Now, this individual food item, as you can tell by the title, is tomato paste. Now, what type of tomato paste am I talking about? Any type. Whether you go buy the little 6-ounce can or 3-ounce cans of tomato paste, or the 6 or the bigger ones, excuse me, or whether you can it yourself, tomato paste is something you need to have in your prepper pantry, specifically because it's so versatile. You can do a lot of things with tomato paste. Because it's so condensed, it takes up less space. Watered down a bit, it becomes something else, and we'll talk about that later. But tomato paste is something that, we use it all the time in our family. And a lot of things, it's like we're mixing stuff up, we throw in a can of diced tomatoes, toss this in it, and then we always thicken it up with a little can of tomato paste. So tomato paste does have its place in your prepper pantry because it can be the base for a lot of things, including tomato soup. All right, so think about it. Check out your recipes. See how many of them call for tomato paste and make the adjustment by adding those to your prepper pantry. All right, and remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicines, skills, and of course, tomato paste. Why? This is why.